anything they are doing illegal, then there can be a way of regulating. I look at our football clubs that lack anybody to hold them. And I find that these betting institutions are the ones that are funding them. Otherwise, we would be killing our talented young men and women who are in these various games out there. Secondly, anything that everybody with common sense has, before they engage in it, they should be mature enough and disciplined enough to go into it. I don't think anybody puts a gun on anyone to go and gamble. Gambling is a choice. It's not a must. It's not a priority of anybody. So it's a choice. If anyone chooses to gamble and maybe one day wake up to be a millionaire, then be it. The thing here is discipline. And also the Bible says it is wrong to be covetous. So if somebody wants to be a millionaire within a second and tries their way out and doesn't get it there, you don't have to point at the person who brought the game. It is the person who went to play the game. So I think there are individuals in this country that are being targeted, because I've had one of our honorable member mention Royal Media and MediaMax. And I thought this thing was a motion that does not have any ill motives behind it. But immediately he mentioned, then I realized that it's not actually the gambling. It's not the betting. It is some personalities in this country that are being targeted. And it's bad manners for anyone to be in power and want to oppress or finish the other, because what you set up might be a trap for you yourself. So we should be very careful. Betting companies pay their taxes. If we must regulate, maybe we can up it a little so that they pay higher, because we see the participants are many across even Africa or the world, and maybe what they give back is what we should be looking into, the auditing. We should be looking into how much do they give back to the country. But we all, as leaders, have a role into looking after our kids, what they are getting into. Many times, I do not sleep until I go through the history of my phone to monitor what my baby or my nephews or nieces have been looking into. So it is just a way of people being very lazy. What will your child be doing betting, and you are there? If they are trying those things, just stop them. So let us not throw punches and escape from our responsibilities as parents and start saying it is this gambling, it is that. And also, I think in the regulations, they would add and say, the way they say it to people who drink, that you engage in it at your own risk or something like that. It's a little warning to it. But do not kill any institutions that are here, that are helping our sports, our games. They are helping in one way or another in charitable activities. We see them helping out. And that is all I wanted to say. Thank you.
Phyllis Berto, the MP for